Once we're clear on the desired outcome of your project, it's time to make sure we understand your target audience. So, what demographics and insights do you have? And your answer needs to be super specific. Don't just say males 19 to 35 because that's just lazy. I want insight. I want to know as many relevant details as possible about your target audience for this project. What customer persona profiles have you created? What are their motivations? What are their pain points? All I know about your target audience at this point is that they have approximately a 7 to 30 second attention span. If you do not speak directly and captivate them immediately, you've lost them. This is marketing 101 stuff, but I am constantly amazed by how many marketers and communicators don't take the time to onboard vendors like a video production company to familiarize them with the target audience. It is a catastrophic assumption that a video production company would immediately and intuitively understand your target market. Anyone new to your organization is depending on your knowledge and understanding of the people you serve. The more the better. Tell us that the target audience for this project is an affluent, young, athletic woman whose mother is already a loyal customer living a fitness lifestyle in North America. We need to know the target audience is commercial building owners with multiple properties in the Elk Valley area who pride themselves on community involvement and environmentally sustainable maintenance practices. Please inform us that you have a global audience of white-collar workers who enjoy geeking out on charts and graphs to solve problems in governance, risk management, and compliance. The demographics are wide, and you want to encourage diversity and inclusion, but the reality is that your audience tends to skew male. Don't just say male 19 to 35. In the next video, let's talk about the message for your target market.